Shubor nakaslem jong unong san Hima.
Inspector General ka Border Security Force BSF OP Upadhai habakran berkinong thok khobor uloong bakishipai BSF kila Pynkhlaiñ ga Jingpahara hagi than Khappud bat ka Bangladesh bat kilong kibala Pynkhreh nak benda ka nugu jingja uloong basyan kishipai BSF kin sa pentrikam da ka electronic surveillance of vulnerable patches hakilai puar kilometer kijaka Khappud bat ka Bangladesh habakran halor ka jingja ke badangshan ha Bangladesh bat ka jingsha ahyar thma kinong wan jungok kai perthei ha pahalgam UIG uloong kumbajulong ga nugu jingja ke bajah ki jaka bambarjan ne hakari kalong ke badan kam bandan ne ke jingada bat jingpet ngor ke bakhambha kumtangi la Pynkhlaiñ ke jingada bat jingpet ngor bat ngilong ki bala Pynkhreh kamdan ke nugu jinge UIG uloong ru bakishipai BSF ki la bu shu yaki pantel zoom kamera hadian ke jingja badangja dangshan Katanat Ministry of Home Affairs ke Sorkar Pedeng kalau menjur ban pentri kam ni ke skim ban petngor ki than Khappud bat shen an sa pentri kam no da ke electronic surveillance of vulnerable patches hakilai puar kilometer ki jaka ki Khappud ulo UIG ula pentep badang shen ki shipai BSF ki la pendat da ki light Pynkhlaiñ lani ki flood light ban ai jing shai haki south pa kilometer jang uput usam ke Meghalaya kumta ki jaka ki than Khappud kin shai bha wada ka por miet bat kani kani rap yangi ban petngor bat ban pentikna yaga jing shngan ula ban rap da ka baong baki shipai BSF ki penankam da ki kso sniffer bat tracker hakikam kum ka Jingpahara bat talasi ki nong le kam bean kumjuru hakaba pahara hazero line ki kso sniffer bat tracker ki bangi penankam ki long ki batbit kenang bangin la ban bud dia ni ki nong le kam snew bat ban kem yaki ulo halor ke jingyo kem ki brio ki bawan rung bean ki badan ru ki adhar UIG uloong ngimdon bor hakabede bat kani ngimla banyo ekhalat banyo ek jingtep habede bat ke jingyo adhar thok ki brio kumta kadi ka kam jong ki pulit bat ki we ki tanat hadian bangi kem ki brio bawan rung tu ngi pentep shaki bor jong ka an ban le ek badan kam uloong habede ba ke jingthong kam ban penbun brio bo ka tanat BSF UIG ula pentep badang shan kila bishar banya halor kani da ka baong ngila shim kilat jingada ki babyang kentup ke jingpen rung brio hapo katanat bat kumcuru eki weipat kitiar ban petngor ki Khappud nalor kataru kadan ke jingetrelang bat ki bor sorkar bat ki nong shnong ki nokmas bat ki bor sinshar pai ba bat ngiyo ka jingkrshan ke bapura ngila yo ka jingetrelang ke babha bat ki bor sorkar bat ki wei kitanat bat ngilong ki bahusiar bha kebenta ke babha ka long bangiyo ye ke jingkrshan ke bapura na ki nong shnong haki than Khappud kiriu pat ba jongi haki jaka Khappud kilong ki bahusiar bha bat ki kershan yangi ulo habede bagi jingetrelang jongki bat ki shipai pahara Khappud jongkari Bangladesh ka Border Guards of Bangladesh UIG ka BSF uloong kalong ko majulong ngimyo i ka nugu jingkala ka rukom trekam jongki ngijupen long i ka jingelang flag meeting bat ka BGB.
As you all aware that the border security force is always remain alert 24/7 and we are having this specialization in night dominance, so we have further strengthened our night dominance capabilities, the surveillance capabilities and deployment of some additional manpower. We have reviewed over the existing deployment, the existing security measures, and we have taken adequate security measures including deployment of additional manpower as well as additional surveillance equipment. Apart from that, we have raised our level of coordination with the state police and other agencies, and we have also interacted with the local population, local NOKMAs and the acclaimed civilian authorities, and we are getting full support of them.
Sir,
As if now there is no such proposal in hand, but in case of any requirement, so certainly will not be wanting in this aspect, and we'll be getting some additional forces also.
and how do you see present border?
Things are at the moment are under very much under control. We have got excellent coordination with the state and other sister agencies, and we are quite vigilant. And the best part is that we are getting full support of the border populations. Our civilian brethren in border areas, they are quite vigilant and they are supporting us. Coordination with BGB as usual, and we do not see any major shift in their approach. We are regularly having flag meetings with them. We are regularly sorting out the local issues which are being dealt by the local battalion commanders and the BOP commanders. Though there are some issues of erecting the fencing within 150 meters of the international border. So we are working on that, and hopefully we'll be able to address those issues.
How do you look at
Border floodlights in the border areas. So earlier these border floodlights were of the first generation border floodlights. But very recently we have replaced all the floodlights along 400 kilometer of the complete border with Meghalaya with the advanced floodlights. So the area is well lit now, and it is helping us in the night dominance. So you can visit and you can see that during night the whole of the border area is well lit, and the complete area is under observation and under dominance.
Any checkpoints?
Sir, as usual, but in addition to that, we are getting the support of the local police. We are deploying some joint operations and joint checkposts with the police, and these are giving good dividends to us, good results to us. A good strength of dogs with us, and we are utilizing those dogs in the night time also, as well in the daytime. Invariably, our dogs are associated in the operations like patrolling and the ambush camp patrol, the observation post, as well as the zero line patrolling. So dogs are being utilized, and we have got good quality of very efficient dogs, be it sniffer, be it the tracker dogs. So we are focusing on the tracker dogs now, so that we can track the culprits and catch hold of them.
the use with EC?
Surveillance equipment in the form of PTZ camera. We have put some more number of PTZ camera in view of the recent development, and we are also working on a very good scheme which has been recently sanctioned by Ministry of Home Affairs, and very soon we will be deploying this surveillance scheme on the borders.
What?
A very good scheme, and we will be covering around how much kilometer of the area? 32 kilometer. So we will be covering this around 32 roughly. I cannot give you the exact data, but roughly around the 32 kilometer of the border belts will be deployed with this scheme. We call it ESVP scheme, the electronic surveillance of vulnerable patches. So the government has sectioned some money, and we are very soon going to deploy it.
How many?
A composite project, so we cannot say that in which area how much will be deployed. Just a composite scheme, and we'll be deploying it accordingly.
You must be knowing.
This is a altogether different domain. We can only check the people having the Aadhaar, and we give these things to the local police and other enforcement agencies. So we have got some limitations of the jurisdiction. We cannot have the access to the Aadhaar data. So it is the job of the police and the other agencies, those who are looking after. So whatever we are doing, we are catching, whenever we are catching hold of the illegal immigrants and they are having the fake documents, we inform the concerned agencies accordingly.
There will.
Roughly, if I can say, around 42 kilometers of border in Meghalaya is unfenced. And primarily it is because of the non-availability of the land. We are working in close coordination with the state government and the officers of the state government and the Honorable CM. They are also concerned about this issue, and they are proactively working on that. And I am hopeful that the impediments in this regard will be very soon removed. The respective deputy commissioners of the concerned districts, they are also working on this issue, and they're trying to persuade the villagers, those who are land is going to be affected, and they have got some concern that after coming of the fencing, the land ahead of the fence will not be available to them. So my approach is that we are ready to help all the border populations, people of the border areas, in whatever sense they will require our assistance, be it in the form of security and patrols, be it in the form of the gates in the fencing. We are ready for that. So from our side there is no problem, but I also appeal through media to the people of the bordering district that they should cooperate and willingly hand over the lands to the constructing agencies, so that this is a project of the national importance. It has a bearing on the national security, and as soon as we get the area fenced, this will be better for the security of the state, the security of the nation, as well as the security of the border population. So this is the thing, and we are hopeful that we'll be able to remove the impediments.